Today I'm going to show you how you can take your Excel that you've been managing your inventory items in and seamlessly import it into SciNote's inventories to improve not only your inventory management, but also your data management. Here we have my Excel that not only includes the inventory items names, but also important information that is tied to each of the items. For example, the date in which it was received, how many we have of the item or the stock, the manufacturer, and more. What we're going to do next is create these columns inside of SciNote. Start by entering an inventory by just clicking on its name. If an inventory is not created yet, a team owner can do this by clicking on the New Inventory button, naming it, and then clicking Create. Once inside, we already have one column that is automatically created that we do not need to create ourselves. That is the name column. To create all the other additional columns that are in my Excel, click on the Manage Columns icon. To learn more about creating custom columns, check out our video, How to Create New Inventory Columns, and our video, How to Manage Inventory Columns. Today, I've already created a text column for ordering links, a number column for the lot number, and a date column for the dates received. We still need to create a drop-down column for the manufacturer, a checklist column for the persons who will be ordering, and lastly, a stock column for its stock. Keep in mind that the stock column is an add-on. If you are interested in knowing more about this column or adding it to your instance today, reach out to the customer success team and they would be happy to help. Once all the columns are created, we will click Import. We can either drag and drop the file or click Import to choose the file from where you stored it on your computer. The next pop-out will be the mapping of the data. This is where you're going to match the Excel columns with your SciNote columns. So, for example here, I called it item in my Excel, and in SciNote, it's going to be the name. So I'm going to click on Match Not Found and scroll down to find the name column, and I will do that for dates received, and the same for manufacturer. Sometimes it will find all of your columns, so you do not have to pick the SciNote columns to match your Excel columns. However, I would always double check to make sure that the columns match up to what you are looking for. Once all of the columns are selected, click Confirm. Here it is showing me that 11 new items are going to be created, and they're all going to be highlighted in green for what is going to be added. Once I'm finished, I will click Import. Now I took my Excel and seamlessly imported it into SciNote. There are many different ways in which you can use our inventories. I encourage you to continue to check out the videos to learn more. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the customer success team.